Hey there. Hope you're all doing well. As our week winds down, we're going to finish this week off with a daily living skill. And that skill today is going to be washing dishes. Now, this is a skill we practice in class all the time, and I sure hope that you guys at home are helping your parents wash dishes. And if you're not, you should be. So the first thing we got to do is make sure we have dirty dishes. So as you can see here, got some dirty dishes in the sink. The dirtier the better. And I say that for two reasons. One, the dirtier they are, like this plate here, gives us a good visual. We know it's dirty, we know there's a start when it's dirty, and then when it's clean, we know that it's finished. Second, it makes us work harder. So let's get started. Several different ways you can go about washing your dishes. Some people like to fill their sink up with warm soapy water. I don't like to do that. I just like to take the dirty dish, rinse it, scrub it with some soap and water, and let it dry. So the first thing we need is either a rag or a sponge like I have here. We're going to get our soap. We're going to apply our soap. Nice amount there. Get a little wet. Get a little squeeze. Make sure we got some good lather. We take our dirty dish, give it a rinse. Get all that extra gunk off. Okay. Still fairly dirty. Take your sponge, scrub. Now make sure to scrub both sides. One side isn't going to cut it. Both sides have to be clean. Now give it a rinse. Rinse all that soap off. Turn the water off so we're not wasting water. Looks clean. Oh, I still see some soap. Get that off. Now, perfect. I like to put it aside. You can put it in a drying rack if you have one at home, or you can wipe it off dry and put it away in the cabinet. Now, there's always more than just one dirty dish. There's never just one. So typically when you eat, you got your dishes, you got your cups, you got your forks, you got your knives, you got your spoons. So I have a few more dirty dishes here, so let's go ahead and clean them together. Okay. Got one of my boys' cups here. A little dirty. Let's give it a rinse. Flip it out. Let's get our sponge. It still has plenty of soap on it. Hold it, get inside there, move the sponge around, or move your cup around. Get a little scrub. Get the outside, just like a plate. You gotta do both sides. And in a cup, you do inside and outside. Get the bottom. Give it a rinse. Put it aside. Again, if you have a drying rack, use that, or dry it and put it away in the cabinet right then and there. Turn the water off. Got a nice dirty spoon here. Give that a little rinse. I'm going to scrub. Nice. Okay, both ends of it. Rinse. Put it aside to dry. We got a knife. Now always be careful with the knife. Hold on this end. Be very careful. Maybe you do this at home, maybe you don't. Very careful. Just keep the sharp end away from you. Carefully. If you're not comfortable cleaning the knives, let your parents do it. Put that guy aside. Now, if you don't wash your dishes by hand at home and you have a dishwasher, here's what you can do. Make sure you always rinse your dish. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but get most of it off. You don't want little food particles rinsing around in your dishwasher while it runs. So, fairly clean. And now we're going to put it into the dishwasher. Here we go. Go ahead and place it in the dishwasher. Make sure to put your silverware away as well. Go ahead and slide the rack back. If you're getting ready to run your dishwasher, go ahead and put in your tab. Close it. Hit your on button. And let it go. So if you want to incorporate some core vocabulary into cleaning, here are a few phrases you can do. I do, or you do. You help, or you help please. You do more. You can prompt your student to say, I finished. And then you can end by saying, thank you for helping. Well, there's our daily living skill activity for this week. If you happen to do this activity at home, please feel free to share pictures, comments, videos, either on Classroom 2.3 Facebook page or on Torrent 3.4 Facebook page. Take care.